This is the latest offering from Aventon Electric Bikes. These bikes were purchased out of pocket. Aventon did not sponsor me to prepare this video. This one is known as the Level 2, the second iteration of the Level series of their bikes. This one is known as a commuter. This is one of two that I recently purchased, and thus far I've been very pleased with it. This one is totally stock. It comes with 5 pedal assist levels, and it has an 8-speed derailleur on the back. It's capable of speeds of 20 miles an hour with motor assist, as a Category 2 e-bike, and it has a range estimated between 20 and 40 miles, with pedaling up to 60 miles. One of the potential downsides of having an e-bike as opposed to a normal 10-speed or 3-speed bicycle is they have some extra weight to contend with. I believe this bike weighs in at something like 56, 57 pounds, and for your typical bike rack, that's a bit much. So I have ordered a specialized bike rack that is specifically built to handle the heavier e-bikes. The one I selected is from One Step, and it is called a double Super Duty and is well capable of handling this weight of bike. It even comes with a loading ramp. Once again, One Step has not provided me with any compensation for making this video. It's just I felt like it was one of the best rated, best quality racks that are available on the market. The other advantage of the One Step bike rack is that it fits into a receiver either on your vehicle, truck, or car, or on your RV. We have a travel trailer that has a built-in receiver, and this bike rack will fit nicely on the back of that travel trailer, as well as on the back of our truck.
All right.